I'm just unboxing my Canon EF 50mm f1.8 mk2 lens. So this is just an unboxing. As you can see, I ripped it out of this first box. Just fucking ripped the shit out of there. And it came with this like paper snake thing to keep it safe. So the main box is this box. As you can see the picture there of, I guess that's what's in the box. It's like a rectangular square kind of cardboard, I think. Anyway, I'm just gonna like go ahead on up and get inside this bitch. Yeah. Okay, well, it's gonna have some sort of lid on the first piece of the box. Then we got some like foldable flaps that are coming up in here. And so we're gonna go ahead on up and just open them right up there. Can't really see. Let me see. Got some sort of what appears to be booba wrap. I can see the Canon. Canon? Not quite sure how you say that. I don't even know what to do here. Can't just, I don't know if there's box instructions or this kind of guy over here. I don't know what he does. Just gonna yeah, that's booba wrap, all right. Let me get my finger. Okay, right. Oh, okay. So that's the boxing there. Just gonna put that over there. So yeah, I think we're. Oh yeah, this is okay. So maybe I should make another YouTube video about it. Unbagging, because this, I guess, is out of the box now. I guess it would be more of an unbooba wrapping. You know, there's, I don't know if you can see in there, but there seems to be booba wrap and furthermore a bag. God, they're just so tempting to pop, aren't they? Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead on up and just. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, that's unboxing, unbooba wrapping, and unbagging. Sayonara.